To store your Ranger XP Kinetic, follow these steps. Anytime the vehicle will be parked for more than a few days, follow these recommended storage procedures. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface and ensure the vehicle is in park. Now, make any necessary repairs and clean the vehicle. Make sure to store the vehicle out of the sun in a cool, dry place and ensure the storage area is well ventilated. Then, turn the key off. Do not set the parking brake, if equipped. Now, verify that the tire pressure is set to specification. Next, block the wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Ensure the high voltage battery pack or packs have a state of charge or SOC of at least 60%. Next, inspect the fluid levels and add or change fluids as necessary. Then, check your demand drive fluid or front gear case, the rear gear case fluid if equipped, and the brake fluid, which should be changed every 2 years and anytime the fluid looks dark or contaminated. Be sure the storage area is well ventilated and cover the vehicle with a genuine Polaris cover. Do not use plastic or coated materials. They do not allow enough ventilation to prevent condensation and may promote corrosion and oxidation. Inspect the vehicle interior periodically to remove accumulated pest or rodent debris, such as nests. Check the vehicle wiring for damage caused by chewing. For planned long-term storage of more than 30 days, follow the recommendations to create the ideal storage conditions for your Polaris electric vehicle and maintain the lifespan of the high-voltage battery pack. Store your Kinetic in a cool, dry area. The recommended storage temperature range is 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius to 113 degrees Fahrenheit or 45 degrees Celsius. Polaris recommends keeping your vehicle connected to an electric vehicle supply equipment, or EVSE, wall charger during extended storage periods. This will maintain the optimal state of charge and health of the high voltage pack or packs. The vehicle state of charge will float between 90 and 100%. This is normal vehicle behavior. If you cannot keep your vehicle connected to an EVSE wall charger during storage, charge the battery to 100% and check the state of charge monthly. If the state of charge falls below 30%, charge the vehicle to at least 60%. Your Ranger XP Kinetic state of charge can be monitored remotely using the Vehicle Health feature on the Polaris mobile app powered by Ride Command, if equipped. See the Ride Command homepage for activation instructions and more features. Allowing the battery state of charge to fall below 0% can lead to a non-recoverable battery state. To remove your Ranger XP Kinetic from storage, follow these steps. Begin by removing the cover from your vehicle. Next, verify that the high voltage battery pack is fully charged after the 24-hour charging period. Then, remove the charge cord. Now, perform the pre-ride inspection procedures found in your owner's manual. Next, take a look at the tires and verify that tire pressure is set to specification. Make sure to check the tightness of the bolts, nuts, and other fasteners. Now, lubricate at intervals outlined in the periodic maintenance chart. Finally, check for rodent damage or nests in flat spaces between components. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.